Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change message unknown email address. Check again or try your username in my account WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we add username unknown email address and then click on login, then display this message. So we are going to change or update it by using custom code. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Then select PHP snippet. So click on it. And then you can add code. Now paste. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our original message unknown email address. Check again or try your username. And then we are going to translate. Please enter correct information. So you can add text according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to my account page again. Now you see message and refresh the page. Continue. Now you see message updated. Please enter correct information. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.